Hey guys, NCWQ here, and looking at a 3.6 in Southern California. It was 12 kilometers deep and 14 kilometers west of Anza. And we'll see what it shows on the data contributions. We have 3.6, 3.6, and 2.1. So we'll go and get our coordinates and put them in on Google Earth and see where this earthquake is. So you can see I have the volcano areas turned on here. And this is the area where this earthquake has hit. So this is Forest Route 7 504 or 7SO4. I think it's 7SO4. So that's Route 7SO4. And this is Reed Valley Ranch here. Reed Valley. And this looks like houses down here. I'm not sure what that is. Not really good view. Let's see if there's a view of this area. So let's go here. Looks like just houses. So it's a dirt road. Old graph here, graphics. Okay, so this is the area where the earthquake happened. And this is a Kahula reservation over here. Kahula. And over here we have Diamond Valley Lake. And we have Lake Skinner Park here. Wilson Creek Winery. And then this is Anza. This is Thomas Mountain here. And we'll do a 3D look. Down 3D. Give y'all a view of this area. So, anyway, kind of mountainous. Anyway, this is the area of the 3.6. Anyways, you guys, just thought I'd give y'all a real quick view. I hope y'all are doing well. And this is Runson Road in Andy Creek. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Please be good to yourselves and to each other. Much love.